Do you want to control when the interpreter listens instead of it listening all the time? Galaxy AI's interpreter has a tap to talk mode that lets you decide exactly when the microphone turns on. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Galaxy AI, tap Interpreter, and then enable or disable tap to talk. When this option is on, microphone do not turn on automatically. You tap the mic button, speak, and the translation stays on screen. While when this option is off, microphones turn on automatically for continuous conversation. Given to the function, you can turn it on when you want to say one sentence at a time, you want to keep the translated text visible for reference, or you are in a noisy place and don't want accidental translation. Tap to talk gives you full control over conversation. You can speak when you want and read the translation at your own pace. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.